Welcome back to this daily cryptocurrency video. In today's video, we're going to be having a look at what is happening right now in the crypto market, currently crashing. Bitcoin down 6.4%. We're going to be having a small look at the TA, but before that, let's dive into this. Some of the tweets I posted yesterday. I said update RSI almost overbought, yet we are clearly only at 38,747. Anyways, I mentioned that we were going to come back, touch this trend line right here. Before coming back down. What happened? We touched the trend line, got rejected, and now we're coming back down. Now we're very pretty low now. So I also made this post right here about silver breaking out. Target is $30. I've been investing in silver. I've been accumulating silver, and the reason why is because you can't trade this market when a full out war is happening in Russia and in Ukraine. So this is the main reason why I am accumulating on gold and silver right now. Of course, I'm not going to be making much money, but right here I said my silver investment is up 5%, not counting gold futures 10x long position. Bitcoin is down 24% in a week, making it a 29% difference. So that's that on Twitter. I also made a few videos 2 to 3 days ago and 5 days ago. I said why I just bought silver and gold. Bitcoin going back down to 30K. And I also said how will Russia, Ukraine affect the conflict affect the crypto market. I made a few videos. You guys can go and check it out. But let's have a look on Bitcoin real quick. First of all, this is the trend right here that I was talking about. We were in a nice little trend on the daily time frame right here. And of course, this trend support came out to be a resistance. Now we are a little bit oversold right here on Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame, so I wouldn't be surprised if we actually consolidate, maybe have a nice little pullback to 35,000 and consolidate like this for a while. Guys, we are in crypto winter officially. Well, not officially. I've been calling it for quite some time right now. We're not going to see Bitcoin at 100,000 anytime soon, unless of course the war stops out of nowhere. But the war is just happening right now in Ukraine and Russia. Things are escalating. Putin just ordered a full-out military escalation. So things are going to be very interesting, of course, on what is happening. I would suggest putting my money, of course, not financial advice, but in, what I will be doing is buying Bitcoin, gold and silver. Of course, you could buy the dip a little bit on crypto, but not that much. But that being said, we could have a look on the daily time frame right here because the bigger time frames do matter more on Bitcoin right now. So can we have a little double bottom right here? Yes, people are calling a double bottom right here on Bitcoin. For those of you guys who don't know what a double bottom is, it's essentially a bullish confirmation. It's only a bullish though if we break above this neckline, which is currently sitting at 45,000. So there's two levels I will be watching for Bitcoin to be bullish again: 45,000 and 53,000, which is approximately right here. I don't see this with the current situation that is happening right now in the world. I don't see this happening. I think we're going to come back down to at least $30,000, $28,000. And then if not, we could even potentially see a huge downwards move to even $20,000. Yes, Bitcoin can go down to $20,000 again. And of course, guys, once again, this is not financial advice. I wouldn't short this market or long this market. I wouldn't short one because we're in a very sensitive spot right now. The whole thing that is happening in Ukraine and Russia is very sensitive, and things are getting very bad. So this is why I wouldn't long the market. The reason why I wouldn't short the market is in a TA aspect. We are getting to an oversold area, and we know that every time or most of the time we see a bounce at the 30, we usually fly up. Now, am I saying we're gonna fly up? I don't know. We could see a nice little wick to the upside. We know that Bitcoin is heavily manipulated, and we know that when we see things like this happen, the volatility goes up. There's a huge mess that happens, but it's very possible that we see a nice little relief bounce. So I wouldn't be long in this market. I wouldn't be shorting. Of course, you could accumulate if you wish so. Yeah, let's have a look at some of the coins right here. VRA currently making all-time lows right here since this local low on the July 18, 2021. I said that my prediction would be 0.09. Okay, so below 1 cent was my price prediction for VRA. We are on our way there. We don't have any sort of support right here around this region, so we're most likely going to make a nice little free fall. I would suggest putting buy orders at this level right here, limit orders, and then if not, we could even go to this level right here. This would be our next, if I put out the log chart right here, we could come back and retest this level right here at 0.001. So not even half a cent. This is insane. Of course, we are in a bear market, guys. You have to keep this in mind. But that's that. Let's have a look at one of my favorite coins, guys. Kadena, KDA. I made a few videos on this one yesterday or 2 days ago, I believe. It was 2 days ago. Okay, so we could make a nice little double bottom right here. My next buy zone is, of course, 4.7, which is right here. 4.9, $5. It's approximately $5. I'm not going to be buying in here. We're most likely going to come back down and retest at least 2.1. If that happens, of course, that would be a fantastic area to buy, in my opinion. Anywhere between this region right here, 2.1 and 1.2 would be accumulation area. I wouldn't be buying until we come back to these levels right here. Once again, guys, with the situation that is happening right now in Russia and Ukraine, it is very, very bad, and I would highly suggest learning about what is happening right now. A lot of European countries can start coming in, and if we do see a lot of countries coming into to this war, like Germany and France and so on, and the United States, we could have a huge disaster in the coming weeks. So this is my video, guys, on Kadena, Verasity, Bitcoin, Ukraine, silver. If you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.